This is from Dr. P. Vijay Kumar, HOD of Physics, Department of Physics, SNS College of Engineering. Today we discuss the overview of crystal. So I am taking the topic of overview of crystal. So the overview of crystal. The crystal is made up of only for solid material, not a liquid and gases. Right? Because the solid, it's formed, the packing of atom is very strong nature. That's why the crystal is forming only for the most of it's forming the solid phases. Right? So the crystal studied in the different properties by that we call it as a crystallographic. Right? Crystallographic means the studying of crystals. Right? The different properties we discuss in the crystal based on the structure and the arrangement of atoms. Right? This is all we studied from crystallography. So the classification of crystal, I think you know that the classification of crystals.
Yes. Crystals can be classified into two types: crystalline and non-crystalline. Examples: rock salt, NaCl, rubber, and plastic.
Very good. So you have just classified in two category of one is crystalline and another one is non-crystalline. But what is crystalline and what is non-crystalline? Do you know that? So the atoms are arranged in a regular manner within a periodic formation. Lattice plane is a line. This is become random direction atom arrangement. That is called as a non-crystalline. Right? Then the crystal is classified in the other properties, that means the systems wise. Totally 7 types of crystal system is formed. Right? 7 types of crystal system. One is a triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, trigonal, hexagonal, tetragonal, then finally is a cubic. The cubic is a basic structure of crystal system. Right? So we have discussed all the types of crystal based on the discussion of cubical structure, because all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. Right? That's why we take a cubical structure. Right? Then 7 types of crystal system formed based on the unit cell wise. We formed 14 types of Gravis lattice. Right? Then you have any doubt or any queries, questions you write for me? We have classified the crystal system to simple cubic, that we call as a SC. The next one, body center, right? The next one, phase center, then base center. So the 4 types we form in the 7 types of crystal system. We get in a 14 different types of unit cell wise, right? We get in different structures, right? The next we discuss, right? The form of crystallography axis under the angles wise, we have classified these types of crystals, right? Then the characteristics of unit cell, right? We know that the unit cell means is the smallest formation of crystal system. You know that what is atom, right? Atom is the very smallest portion of an element. It's an indivisible, right? The unit cell also the same in crystals, right? It's the smallest portion of the unit cell, crystals, right? Then the characteristics of unit cell based on the crystal property we discussed, right? The characteristics means the first one is the number of atoms per unit cell. The second one is an atomic radius, right? And third one is a coordination number. The fourth one is a atomic packing factor. So this 4 we discussed, right, in a unit cell. That is the characteristics of unit cell. Right? Right. If you have any queries or questions from this unit cell,
How can we calculate
APF, right? APF means atomic packing factor. We form one formula, right? The APF is equal to first one. What is the first one? It's the number of atoms per unit cell into volume of atom by volume of unit cell. Right? So we take a cubic, the volume of unit cell is a cube. The volume of atom is put like in a sphere, so it's form of 4 by 3. What is that? Pi r cube, and this is become changed based on that the 4 times. So we have calculated from SPF. Right? I think you get some overview of crystal from basic property and unit cells. Right? We discussed another one topic in another one session. Right? Thank you very much. Thank you.